In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on party voice chat here in Fall Guys. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Start off on the main menu, and what you're going to want to do is open up your options or settings and then go to this options tab just like so. And in this section, what you need to do is just scroll down and look specifically for the audio tab. Sometimes it's in the settings itself. If you don't see it in here, what you're going to want to do is back out and go specifically to the audio tab and scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see party voice chat on here. By default, it's usually turned off, so just turn it on, and now you'll be able to hear other players in your party, and they'll be able to hear you. Under party voice chat, you're going to see a talk mode section. I recommend putting this on open mic because that means your microphone's going to activate automatically when you speak, or you could also change it to something like push to talk, and it's going to tell you the keybind right here as well. And essentially, that just means you have to hold that keybind to speak. For controller players, open mic is usually easier, and that's why I recommend keeping that on. If your friends are too quiet or too loud, you can adjust their volume right here as well. But that is it. That's really all you need to do in Fall Guys itself. If you're on PlayStation or Xbox, make sure that you go to your sound settings and make sure your headset isn't muted as well, and that your output device and input device is set as the correct things. If you're using like a USB headset, for example, confirm it's selected as both the output and the microphone. And it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.